Hello, this is Dan again. Thought I would make just a quick video and show some of the latest results. Some of these turned out pretty good. This is one of my favorites. This is a mix of different size and dimensions of wood dowels. Some of them maybe 1/4 inch in diameter up to maybe 3/4 of an inch in diameter, and also had some square dowels and also a mix of different woods. Here we can see the ends of the makeup. All of these I ended up using the same epoxy that is used to glue the dowels together. Poured maybe 1/4 of a cup of epoxy, put on some rubber gloves, poured it into my hands, and then just rubbed the epoxy all over the vases. Let them sit, and they pretty much drip down to a smooth, hard surface. This was a standard pencil vase. We can see the sacrificial wood core that all of the larger vases use to save on some material. Here we can see the sacrificial core here. This is a vase that uses all the same diameter of dowel. This is one of the first experiments. This is probably one of the best pencil vases that we did. Okay, that's about it. Any questions? Just let me know. Thanks.